Hello everyone, welcome. So today we will see about a new topic means basic commands of in Linux. That means daily commands which is used in a Linux study or anywhere whenever we use learn about RHCSA means Red Hat Certified Enterprise Linux. So these are the basic commands. There are several many more basic commands, but that commands which is very useful in and in daily life in Linux. They have we will discuss here. So for the first command ls is a simple command. Simple means whenever we in a current directory means that means root slash directory or slash directory, they have we fire ls command, then he gives all the contents. That means not all the contents mean this uh, list all the contents in folders and files format. Ll command is similar that ls means in long list. Ll means long listing. This gives all the long listed data. And third is mkdir for making directory, rmdir for remove directory, pwd means for present working directory, cat command for cat means catalog. That means which is data present in a file. That command that content is read by cat command. Touch command for creating a file with 0 KB file. And vim command is for edit opening a file. Gedit command, graphical edit. That means we, in Windows also we can see they have graphically opening and saving and copying tools. That is same also gedit. Cp command for copy, rm for command for remove, cd for change directory from one directory to second directory, working directory. Date we are know date. What is date? Time date ctl time and date. And df hyphen h gives all the information. That means we mounted data. That means whenever the image is mounted or not. Fdisk is also give disk information. Echo command gives echo means we can say echo means whenever we enter the input, it will give into at output. That's called echo. Means whenever we fire echo hello, then his output will go here on the shell. Hello output will goes on the shell. And free h for free. Find command gives whenever we find some files or folders or a directory in anywhere. I mean that means a slash under or something directory. Passwd. Passwd is a simple command for password. Host name is name of the machine is host name. That's called server.example.com or client.example.com. That is the examples. Clear means it is clear the all the things present in a shell. That means we can say so suppose we want to perform all the actions and finally we have to delete means clear, remove all the things, and we want a clear shell. So that we will fire clear command. Reboot system, reboot system gives the reboot of the machine. That means whenever we find a fire reboot command, a command, it will reboot the machine. Power of command is simply power of whenever we power of by graphically, but that power of command gives command line interference for power of. History for making history means what we have performed. Man page is important because man page gives all the information about the command. Information is info command. So we will perform one by one at our VMware workstation. Here we can see here gives all the output. That means files, a file, document folder, music folder, public folder. These are folders. and some files present in anaconda file, initial setup file, but it will not give hidden files, you know. So we are find hidden files by performing next command, ls hyphen a, ls hyphen है. It gives hidden files present in the directory, or we can say working directory. Second command ll command gives all the information, means long listed. Here we can see simply one by one, one by one. So but here we when we fire ll command, then we can see that interface that movements one by one, one by one. So and ll. So suppose we want to see one specific file or directory. Suppose we want to desktop. This desktop directory we want to see. So we simply find command ls hyphen ld and directory name. Directory means desktop. Also tab we can complete this. It gives only one directory name and information. What is D means directory, permission, link count, user, group owner, size, timestamp, etc. Give all the information. Next, we go to the next part. Next command is mkdir. Here we mkdir command at the make directories. So we want to make a directory by linux. Linux is a directory name, and make directory in a current directory. Current directory is cd. Current directory means current directory is root, client machine से client of root. So slash root slash is a current directory, so it will create the linux command, linux directory. Enter. Here we can say ls hyphen l. Enter. Here we can see linux directories present created. And next the remove directory. Here we add this directory. Now we can remove this directory also by firing command rmdir which remove linux directory removed by this portion. So you can see ls hyphen l. Enter. Here we can see our linux directory is removed by this process. Here we will see ls command. Ls means give long listed outputs. ls hyphen a, that gives uh, hidden files. That gives long listed output. Long listed means in tabular format. Or ls hyphen ld gives us one specific directory long listed. mkdir linux working directory in current folder, or rmdir linux. Suppose you want to create a directory in other directory, means we are creating so mkdir any means any name, directory name, and it is created in where we will get path. Path means actual absolute path. Absolute for this uh, slash etc slash etc no etc slash tmp slash tmp command slash tmp folder directory. Here we will produce this directory. So simply enter cannot create directory file exist tmp na name of the tmp file will exist. So a simply slash means uh, in a upper folder file exist. File will not create by this because any file exists. In directory any file exists. What is this problem? File exists. Yeah. So we will move to next command, that is pwd. Pwd is clear. That way we will go for next command pwd. Pwd means present working directory. Pwd means present working directory. Enter present directory which gives the when we are in a directory means working directory. Suppose we want to cd command change directory from root to anywhere means you can say desktop. Enter. So pwd command give present working directory slash root slash desktop. Here that is slash root and slash root slash desktop. Next command is cat command gives the output. Simply you can suppose you want a file is graded or b file. Firstly cat command anaconda firstly ls here we can cd ls. Here we can see anaconda.cfg names as file is present. So that cat anaconda.cfg. So it will enter. It gives all the information present in anaconda file. Here you can say from here these information are in the anaconda file. That is simple cat command. The next command is vim command. Firstly we get vim command. Vim it is also give the uh, content of the file, but it gives the uh, virtual means vimulator editor you can say editor. Vim anaconda enter. So that is a file type.